going to Vietnam.
I'll get a $50 Vietnam, here we come. Shit.
Nice.
You guys don't mind if I document this little trip here?
Not at all. Great idea.
Hey Bob, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Hello YouTubers. Welcome to World Travelers, tips and tricks for traveling the world. In this video, we are traveling to Saigon, Vietnam. We're leaving Northern California, flying to China, from China flying to Saigon. As we are driving to San Francisco International Airport, I'm going to give you some tips and tricks. First is your passport. Make sure your passport is current. Make sure your passport will not expire when you are out of country. Next, you will need to get your visa. In my case, I went straight to the San Francisco consulate. They processed my paperwork there. There are different types of visas. Visas for vacations, visas for work, etc. Also time. Are you going for 3 weeks, 3 months, 6 months? Your phone. Your phone is a very important tool when you're traveling. Take pictures of your passport, your visa, your driver's license. Also take pictures of your flight schedule. When you get to the destination, take pictures of the business cards for the hotel you're going to be staying in. This will help out with the taxi rides. You will also want to get an overseas phone rate plan. This will save you a lot of money. Also, download some apps. Money exchange app, translator app, map app, etc. Next, you should check with your doctor or travel doctor. Him or her could tell you what medicines you need to take with you, what shots you may need. For example, when I was going to Vietnam, I wasn't going in the jungle, so I did not need malaria pills, but you might if you're going deep in the jungle. Cambodia, Laos, Vietnam. In Vietnam, the money currency is dong. They don't use change, they have no quarters, dimes, nickels. It is best to take new $100 bills when traveling to Vietnam. You can exchange your money at banks or even the hotels. Our flight to Vietnam was very long. It will help a lot if you bring a pad for your seat and a neck brace so you can sleep better. I like to bring germ-killing wipes. Before I sit down, I wipe down the seat, displays, armrest, everything around. For the long flight, I would suggest getting a sleep mask and noise-canceling headphones. I like to bring my iPad. You can download movies, music, books on tape. If there's something you don't want to watch on the airplane, then you can watch it right there on your iPad. I always bring a backpack. The backpack can be stored in the overhead compartment. In the backpack, you keep your personal items, disinfecting items, and your expensive items, like your camera. You really don't want to have your expensive items in your check-in luggage. As far as your luggage, don't go cheap. I suggest getting a hard case suitcase with TSA locks and wheels, because you don't want to carry that all around the airport.
Well, I think when they cost, yeah, they say to get open.
You all set, Smitty?
Yeah.
What was your shot? 1, 2, 3. You guys set?
Yeah. Ready to go. Ready to go. My bag's there.
Here we are at the, we just went through customs. Took about 20 minutes, went through all of our bags. Bill, they almost arrested.
Arrested?
There you go. Sorry for the shaking of the camera. I was using the Hero GoPro 4. I'm currently now using the Hero GoPro 10. Should not have this problem.
This is fine.
So where are we at, Bill?
Where am I at? Let's see, 19, what year is it? 2022? 2022, yeah. I don't know. We're at the, let me get this, okay, San Francisco Airport, and our gate, waiting for the plane to arrive, which, I just hit a big old barrier over there. What the hell? I guess we're not going anywhere.
时间为11个小时30分钟，目前飞的巡航高度是32000英尺。
You guys doing?
航上先去电波，请您计划下单，谢谢您合作，祝您愉快。
Ain't you sleeping?
Yeah.
不等等。
Here we are in sweet China.
You got no lights on.
I know. I still got good footage. All right, we're in China. It's 3:18 a.m. at home, 7 o'clock here. Got no sleep. Phil's got no sleep. Speedy got a little sleep. Jack's get you sleep? No.
I don't even bother. It's not worth it.
Big hotel. Huge hotel. I'm just filming. Our next leg from here to Ho Chi Minh City, another 5.5 hour flight.
Yeah, it's over 5 hours.
Hopefully I'll get some sleep.
Yeah, we ain't gonna get no sleep.
Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channels. Give us a thumbs up if you like this. Please check out our other videos. And no excuse, go travel, never too old to see the world.